Your excuses aren't gonna make you rich, right? A lot of people make excuses, and some of them are so stupid, right? People say, I wanna think about it. People say, I'm gonna start when I feel ready. People say, only special people can do it. I don't believe I can do it. People say, I have no time. People say all of these stupid excuses, right? And this is what I'm trying to say to you guys in this video. Your excuses aren't gonna make you rich. You're going to make excuses till the day you die, right? Do you want to become rich? Do you want to become successful? Because let me tell you something, excuses are not going to make you rich. And the only way to truly become rich, the only way to truly become successful is by taking action. Guys, everyone has a sad story. Everyone has issues in their life. Everyone goes through things, right? But until you don't realize that your excuses are holding you back, nothing's going to change, because there's never going to be a time where you feel like it's the right time. There's never going to be a moment where you just have more time either, right? Think about it. You're working a 9-to-5 job, right? Things are getting harder and harder every single day. Your bills, you can barely afford to pay your bills. You're just about surviving every single day, right? What's the point? Why are you not trying to change your life? Because for a lot of you guys, all you need to do is take action. And I'm telling you right now, action solves 99% of problems, genuinely. 99% of problems, action will solve it. And ultimately, you guys have to understand is that your excuses aren't gonna make you rich. They're never gonna make you rich, right? They're gonna keep you broke because you're not gonna take the required action. Now, if you are new watching this, you don't know who I am. My name is Alim. I used to work a 9-to-5 job in the UK. I myself used to make excuses. I myself used to put myself down, say I didn't have time, come up with all this dumb shit. I know where you guys are coming from. I know, because I was that guy. Literally 2 years ago, I was working a 9-to-5 job, and I took the biggest risk of my life. I quit my job, packed my bags, and I moved to Dubai. I knew that for me to become exceptional, for me to make money online, I had to do something that most people won't be willing to do, right? Which is to take risk. And that's what I did, because I knew for me to become the person that is rich, successful, and is living comfortably and is financially free, I had to take these decisions. Whereas most people working a 9-to-5 job would have looked at me, and trust me, a lot of people did, thought I was an idiot, thought I was crazy, all of these things, right? But now I'm financially free. Now I work for myself, right? I make well over 6 figures a year, living in my favorite city, which is Dubai. And honestly, a lot of you guys can do the exact same thing. But the problem is, you hold yourselves back. Let me explain something to you, right? Think of it like this. There's money in front of you, and all you have to do is grab it. But you make excuses to yourself. You hold yourself back. You want that money, but you yourself are holding yourself back, right? And you're just not taking the required action, because guys, it doesn't matter if you feel like you have no time. It doesn't matter if you feel like you have no money. It doesn't matter if you feel like you've got issues happening in your life or problems happening in your life. It doesn't matter about anything, right? Because if you truly want to become rich and you want to become successful, all you have to do is try. And let me tell you one thing, if you do not try, you're gonna stay broke. If you do try, there's a chance of you becoming rich. Now you tell me guys, right? Do you not want to give yourself the option of at least trying to become rich? Or do you just want to stay in the same position and cry about your situation and make excuses all your life and stay broke all your life? Because honestly, I have spoken to so many people, right, who want to change their life, but all they do is make excuses. All they do is say, I can't do it, X, Y, and Z. Guys, your life's never gonna change. If you want to make a change, you have to change. You can't just stay in the same position and expect life to randomly change, because that's never happened for absolutely anyone. You can ask any multi-millionaire, what did they do to become successful? And all of them will say they took some sort of action, right? You cannot become rich randomly. Life is not just gonna give you millions, right? It's not how it works. You have to try and you have to take action, right? Without any of these things, it's not gonna happen. Now guys, I run an online coaching business, right? So I work with people on a one-to-one basis and scale them to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model, where essentially you sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. Now, if you are interested in working with me, by the way, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now guys, I wanna ask you something, right? Do you think your excuses are gonna keep you rich, right? Do you believe that you constantly making excuses, do you believe that's gonna make you rich? And if you're honest with yourself, you know it's not gonna make you rich, right? You sit there and you say, my life's terrible, I don't have money, right? And I'm working for someone else. Okay, cool. Logically, what you should do is take action, start an online business and fix it. What people do is they sit there, opportunity comes their way, yeah, but I can't do it, or I haven't got enough money, or now's not the right time, or I don't have time to do this, or I don't believe I can do this. And you come up with all these bullshit excuses. Guys, I've been in the industry long enough, spoken to enough people, right? All of these excuses that you guys do, what do you think that's going to do? You think that's going to make you rich? You think you're not taking opportunities that come your way is going to make you rich? It is crazy to me. I've spoken to so many people and every single person thinks the same. I sit there and think to myself, you don't want it bad enough, right? You don't want it bad enough. Because I remember when I was working in the UK, working my 9-to-5 job, I still remember this. I was sitting at work, I was on my phone, and I see people living in Dubai, I see people living in Bali, living that laptop lifestyle where they make money online, live where they want, right? I'm sitting at work and I'm thinking, how the flip are these people doing it? Because here I am working 40 hours a week for my boss, right? Who I have to do exactly what he tells me to do in a country that I'm not happy in. Every day, 40 hours a week, come into work, go home. Come into work, go home, right? Every single week, have 2 days off, and then come home with $2,000 a month. And I'm thinking, how is this happening in my life, but these people are living a different life, right? And then I realized, you know what? These people took exceptional actions, right? Because what it is, you can't be an exceptional person, you can't live an exceptional life without taking exceptional actions. And that's what I did. I took a big risk. I said, you know what? I'm really gonna force this to happen. I'm gonna move to Dubai, I'm gonna quit my job, and I'm gonna try and find a way to make money online, right? I put myself in the position to do so. What did I do? I tried. What did I do? I gave it all of my energy, all of my time, and absolutely everything to become rich, to become successful, to make money online, right? And that's what I did. And that's where I am now, 2 years later, where I make money online. I live for myself. I don't work for anyone else, right? I can travel where I want. I can go anywhere and work where I want, right? I wake up at any time. I don't even wake up with an alarm anymore. Guys, I live my life how I want to live. But for a lot of you guys, you won't even try. You won't even invest in yourself. You won't even do something to change your life. All you can do, all you guys genuinely do, is make excuses. And let me tell you something, right? You can make all the excuses you want about why you're not where you want to be, why you didn't take the opportunity, and why you're broke, right? Ultimately, the case is the same. You are not trying hard enough, or you're not even trying at all, right? That's the ultimate reality. And for a lot of you guys, if you ask yourself, okay, if I tried hard, if I did the blueprint required to make money, would you make money? Well, yes, you would make money. Because I have done it myself, right? I'm living proof. I'm not one special, by the way. I used to live in the UK. I used to work a 9-to-5 job 2 years ago, right? It's not even that long ago, 2 years ago. I managed to escape the system. I managed to make money online. I'm financially free, right? Not only that, I've helped a lot of clients as well in a similar position. Recently helping a 16-year-old, right, who's making $2,000 in like a few weeks of working with me. Whereas a lot of you guys have to spend 40 hours a week working for someone else to make $2,000. That's an example number one. I've helped a 20-year-old make 25 grand, right? Which is crazy. In his first YouTube video. I've helped another client make £6,000 in a single day. Guys, it is so possible. All of these people are real people. And by the way, you can have a look at my testimonials, right? Click the link in the description below. You can literally go on that, scroll down, you'll see all my testimonials from people that have actually worked with me. But also, I don't want you to just look at other people and be like, oh, they're able to do it because they're special or X, Y, and Z. Guys, the only reason these people were able to become successful and make money is because they tried. And a lot of you guys don't try, right? You need to understand that anyone can do this. A lot of people say to me as well, I actually had a conversation with someone the other day, and he said to me, yeah, but you know, it's not guaranteed, you know, it's not guaranteed that you can make money. And my argument was, if you do the required actions, if you do what is necessary, you will always make money. And it's 100% true. Because, guys, there's nothing different between me and someone else. The only difference is I tried and they didn't. And that's why they work a 9-to-5 job, and that's why I now work for myself here in Dubai. And this is why I believe in mentorship, right? It's one of the most important things, because a mentor is going to show you exactly what you need to do. And that's what I did when I moved to Dubai. I put myself in the best position possible. The money I had, I invested it into a mentor. It completely changed my life, which made me ridiculous amounts of money, right? Now, again, I have a mentorship program myself where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis. If you guys do need any help, where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis, scale you to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model, where you sell your skills and knowledge to high-ticket clients, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you. Or alternatively, guys, if you want to know the One Skill Consulting business model in a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.